Google has launched its next-gen Pixel phones powered by new custom Tensor G6 processors, delivering up to 20% better power efficiency than Tensor G5. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. On the Pixel 11, Tensor G6 and the model's adaptive battery feature give the phone over 30 hours of battery life, depending on your usage. Tensor G6 also lets the phone to run complex AI tasks, such as live translations, without massive lags. The Pixel 11 comes with a redesigned camera bar that's slimmer than any of the previous models. Apparently, if you put an official Pixel case on the phone, it'll appear almost bumpless. That camera bar houses an upgraded 48-megapixel main lens with a larger sensor and better light sensitivity than older models. If you want to take photos of the subjects far beyond what the eye can see, Google's Super Res Zoom, an AI feature that combines multiple frames into one image, can give you an equivalent of 30x zoom. On the front of the phone is 10.5-megapixel selfie cam that can also take 4K videos. Like previous Pixels, the Pixel 11 has a satin-finish, spacecraft-grade aluminum frame. It has a 6.3-inch OLED display with refresh rates from 60 to 120 Hz. The display provides 3000 nit peak brightness level, making what's on your screen easy to see and read outdoors in daylight. Pre-orders for the Pixel 11 are open already, and it'll start shipping on August 20th. You can get the phone in Frost, Pistachio, Hibiscus, or Obsidian, with a minimum storage capacity of 256 GB, and a 512 GB version is also available with 12 GB of RAM. The device costs $899 and will come with Google's promise that it'll receive security upgrades for 7 years. And in case you're also looking to get a pair of Pixel Buds to go with the phone, you'll also be able to pre-order the earbuds in a new olive color. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.